Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will tell you how to pair headphones or earbuds to any device on Android 16. Let's begin. Now the most important thing to do is simply to expand your control center and make sure that your Bluetooth is enabled. Now, when you have your Bluetooth enabled, you want to take your device, for me it's these Philips headphones, and you want to put them into pairing mode. It's not true for all devices, but for most of them, all you want to do is you want to locate the power button, and normally you just want to press and hold it. So we are pressing and holding it, and it did set pairing. So now, as you can see, the LED is flashing different colors. We can go and press and hold our Bluetooth. You can go with pair new device, and now it will basically search for a new device. So we are looking for our Philips, and as you can see right under Alfredo communicator, we have our Philips. So we want to go and simply pair it. We can pair it with the access to contacts and call history. It is not necessary, but let's just hit pair. And as you can see now, our headphones are paired with our Android 16 device. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So